ferry is just pulling into Tallinn now from Helsinki, so I have to say massively preferred getting a ferry to flying. So the ferry took 2 hours. We've got a day in Tallinn, so we'll see how much we can squeeze in, and then we have another ferry which is an overnight ferry to Stockholm this evening. So yeah, next scenes will be in Tallinn. First thoughts on, where are we, Tallinn?
Yeah, I really like it. It's nice, pretty,
Wet.
wet.
It's the way we like it.
So far I've come back if we don't get everything done.
But it is what it is. But guys, first university here when who was here? Sweden. Eagle or the bird in Estonia. Somebody made an Instagram. We're soon gonna go there. So after the
Right, walking tour done. I thought she was pretty good. Weather wasn't though. So now we're off to the former KGB cells. I think that's a Russian embassy. Under police guard. Quite a lot of anti-Russian signs as well. Have you enjoyed the KGB museum?
I've enjoyed it very much.
Would you recommend it?
Yep,
Not,
very
ev-
interesting.
not every visitor here would have said that.
No, it's very true.
So we're doing very well for time. So final thing we want to tick off is the Estonian History Museum, which we've got a good amount of time for. So next scenes will be in that. Thoughts on the Estonian History Museum, Amelia? It's alright.
Yeah,
So-
decent.
Decent. It's good, I think for the time we've got, it's quite suitable. It's not too big.
Yeah, that's true.
But not
If it
too
were
sm-
too big, we'd have problems.
Yeah, but it's not too small either.
No.
The Goldilocks Museum. Right, history museum's done. I thought it was good. Quite good for the time. So we've still got a couple of hours to kill. I think the main thing we're going to do is probably get some food and then just have a bit of a wander for the rest of the time. Ahoy there, shipmate.
Hello.
Home sweet home for the night, what do you think?
Very cosy.
Yeah,
It's like camping.
I prefer this to camping.
Okay.
Got IB for disco later with DJ Sergio.
Hey son, you got to
So we're ready to try our authentic Estonian dessert, which apparently is like a cheesecake.
Do you want to have mine? It's already
Here's
open.
one we opened earlier. It's okay. Presumably we got the right thing. We've got another one,
I hope-
so we'll try that later.
Yep.
So stay tuned. How does the Cali compare to the Kvass?
What?
Prefer Cali or Kvass?
Kvass.
I think they're the same with a different name.
They taste different.
There's different brands of Kvass.
Yeah. That's what I just said to you.
Ready for your second dessert?
Yeah. Give it a sniff first. It's alcoholic. Drop mine.
No. You can have mine.
I don't want to eat that.
You can have it.
Strong.
We'll try another dessert. So we don't actually know what these are. We just know they're vanilla flavoured, but authentic Estonian dessert. Possibly.
What are they?
We don't know. I just said that.
Yeah, but you could read the name off the bag.
I don't
You know
even
the
know
van-
which one's the name.
You know the vanilla flavoured.
I
Well,
said
it'll be
that.
the.
I've
It'll be
already
the.
said that. You literally don't listen to me, and I've got it on
You
video.
can say the Prague
I hope Everyone
vanilla.
watches this and knows what I have to suffer.
Yeah, but you
Right.
know what I mean. Not alcoholic.
It's just sugar.
Nice.
Alright then.
Hello.
How are you rating Tallinn overall then?
Probably like 6.
Does that include the
Alright.
ferry?
No.
Are you rating the ferry?
Which one?
This one? Well, either.
Well, they're both alright. You know, get to sleep on this one. Very excited about my sleep.
Thoughts on Tallinn as a place?
It's nice. It's like a lot of Eastern European cities.
Would you go back?
That vibe. Probably not. I don't think there's loads to do.
Oh. I think I enjoyed Tallinn. I think it reminded me a lot of Bratislava actually. I think a day trip was about right. I probably wouldn't be against going back maybe like in a group or something where there were a few people that hadn't been before.
I'd do that.
But I think us for like a long weekend or something, I'd probably just go somewhere new. In terms of the ferry, we're on the Baltic Queen. I've thoroughly enjoyed the experience of that. Much better than a flight. Had a very nice time. So
That's unfortunate.
yeah, if you are travelling around the Baltic, I'd definitely recommend looking at the ferries. And part of the reason we've done this is we've got on the ferry at like 6 in the evening. We'll get into Stockholm tomorrow at like 10 in the morning. We've got like a whole day, whereas if we'd got a flight, we'd have lost a day travelling. So yeah, enjoy Tallinn, would recommend, but probably just do it as a day trip from like Helsinki or somewhere like that. And do look at getting the ferry as well. So yeah, next scenes will hopefully be Stockholm.